All right, guys, got Brian R here. He's going to do 2 boxes of 2014 Bowman Jumbo Baseball. All right, good luck. All right, got Corey Nebel, Cream of the Crop. Mason Williams. Mark Appel, Chrome. All right, we got a Jonathan Shoup, paper orange, 250. Red Ice coming up. It is nice. Jin Ryu. That is 10 of 25, and base autograph of Christian Benford. Eddie Rosario, Cream of the Crop. Jose Barrios, Bowman Top 100, and Clayton Blackburn. The blue mini, number 250. Mike Minor, that is the gray border, number to 75. Henry Owens mini. And we got blue refractor autograph with ink, Annie Romero, rookie. That is 154 of 250. Daniel Norris, Cream of the Crop. Yellow border, Michael Wacha, number 299. Josh Bell, Bowman Top 100, and Gabriel Yona, refractor, number 2500. All right, and our last pack. Box number 1. Colton Wong and Will Meyer. Box 2. Jace Peterson. Buff, can you show Tim how to print out invoices as well? Thank you. Joe Kelly, green, number to 150. All right, Cole Stewart, and green refractor of Tim Cooney. Number 275. And a Frankie Cordero refractor autograph. That is 286 of 500. Paper blue, Jed Jerko to 500. David Dahl, Bowman top 100. Justin Nicolino, cream of the crop. And autograph, Chris Taylor, base. Renato Nunez, cream of the crop. Martin Prado, ice. Addison Russell. And refractor of Logan Vick. That is to 500. Tyrone Taylor. Jose Abreu in there. Ooh, we got a printing plate coming up. It is nice. Yasiel Puig, 1/1 printing plate. Very cool. Tyler Austin. Cream of the crop. And our last pack we'll finish with autograph, Jason Hirsch. Jason Hirsch base auto. All right. That'll do it. Brian, hope you enjoyed the break, buddy. Nice hit on the Puig 101, and I'll get it right out to you.